Galaxy Z Fold 4 tip to use upgraded ultra-thin glass for improved durability. What are you laughing at, Will?
What a way to end it.
I want the upgraded ultra-thin glass because I'm folding all the time. I'm folding.
What's the upgrade, though? Just that it's thinner?
It's durability for scratching and stuff like that because it's very soft, the inside glass. And sometimes you worry.
If it's bendable, would you even consider it glass?
Well, they say it's UTG. And so it's a hybrid. But so are many of the surfaces that we touch on our smart devices. You'd be like, because glass has come to mean a whole different thing in the age of Corning and Gorilla.
Yes.
Ultra-thin glass first made its debut in the original Galaxy Z Flip, offering a bit of structure to the otherwise plastic displays on Samsung's foldables. It's since been used in the Galaxy Z Fold 2, Fold 3, Flip 3, and Flip 5G. However, it hasn't come without issues. Spontaneous cracks are not exactly common, but they've happened to a considerable number of Galaxy Foldable owners, myself included. That is the author of this article on 9 to 5 Google. And that's despite Samsung having improved the final top layer significantly on last year's generation. So here's why this is important, is because I think the number one apprehension around these technologies, around this advancement, around these folding things is durability. A lot of durability. It's the number one question I get. Is that thing going to break, though? I pull it out. They're like, I couldn't have that. I'm on this job. I drop my thing. I do that. It's the number one. So if Samsung can put this in and make certain claims or show certain things in the demo, be like, look what our glass can do now. Maybe they can squash some of the durability concerns.
Possibly it can fold outwards.
It's not no, it's not folding outwards. Nope. Okay. No, but it's funny enough, I got no scratches on the inside of my display, but I do have a tiny scratch on the outside display, which is your typical smartphone display, because that's the one that's exposed more frequently. There's something about closing the thing up, which keeps it protected.
Right, yeah.
It's like, you have a paper.
Good luck scratching it when it's like this.
Good luck to you, sir.
I challenge you.